Here I have ESSENTIELB HeYou 60, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just tap on this recent button, and here you can see all of your opened apps. As you can see, I have a lot of them, which I don't use right now, but they eat my cache memory. So what can I do about them? I can just tap on this clear all button, and after that all of these applications will be closed and my memory clear. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.